Modern medicine and science have made rapid strides to find remedies for complex diseases. They have also helped dispel the many superstitions prevailing in India, a country still caught between scientific development and archaic beliefs. Hyderabad, the city of Nizams, has both preserved its cultural heritage and also turned into a model city of development and modernization. A popular superstitious belief still exists here, a belief which seems bizarre and is inexplicable in modern medical and scientific terms. Yet, it attracts thousands of people from all over India to Hyderabad, many of whom claim to have actually benefited from it. This is the fish remedy for sufferers of asthma. Administered by the Bathani Gaur brothers of Hyderabad, the practice involves swallowing a live marl fish which has a yellow herbal paste stuffed in its mouth. This yellow paste acts as the purported medicine for curing asthma. The recipe of the mysterious paste remains closely guarded by the Bathani Gaur family, known only to the sons and daughters-in-law of the family. The Gaur family claims the recipe is based on the wisdom of sacred sages of ancient India and has been using it for the past 170 years.
हमारे परदादा वीरन्ना गौड़ 1845 में उन्होंने थे। उस टाइम पे जो उसमें ताड़ी बेचते थे, वो ताड़ी बेचने में उसमें जो उनको लाभ आता था, जो प्रॉफिट 100 रुपीस आता था, उसमें 30% गरीब लोगों को बांटा करते थे। उस ज़माने में हिमालयों से एक मुनि दक्षिण भारत जाते जाते यहाँ पर आए थे। उस समय यहाँ पर आए जब मृगशिरा कार्तिक था, उस टाइम पे बारिश होता है यहाँ पर। बारिश में बीत के यहाँ पर जब आए, वो पूरा उनको भी रहने के लिए जगह दिए और सूखा कपड़ा उन लोगों के लिए दिए, रहने का सब ये करके खाने पीने का भी पूरा प्रबंध करे थे उनके लिए। उन्होंने समझा कि भाई ऐसे परिवार को देंगे, इसमें ये लोग निस्वार्थ रूप से करेंगे इसको, इसका ना पैसा लेंगे ना उसका वो करेंगे, ऐसे परिवार वालों को देंगे तो ये फार्मूला चलेगा।
The remedy is served free of cost, though the fish costs a few rupees a piece and is sold by the Fisheries Department of Hyderabad directly to the patients. This fish remedy camp is held towards the end of the first week of June each year on the day of Mrigasira Karthi. A day before the major event, the Bathani Gaur family visits their ancestral home at Doodh Bauli, where they perform a Satyanarayan Puja. This is the place where the family makes the secret medicine, utilizing water from a well they consider sacred to prepare the yellow paste or prasadam as they call it. After the puja, Harinath Gaur, the eldest of the Gaur brothers, visits their parents' final resting places along with his grandsons to seek their blessings for the success of the camp. At the exhibition ground, Hyderabad, the venue for the camp, people arrive in the thousands, many reaching almost 2 days in advance of the big day. Agarwal Seva Dal, an NGO, provides food for the people who arrive for this camp for the fish remedy. Food is served free of cost, the service beginning before the commencement of the camp and lasting till its very end. On the big day, the herbal food supplement or prasadam is distributed for 24 hours straight. The day begins with the Bathani Gaur family gathering at their Doodh Bauli house. The family members themselves eat the fish prasadam first. Then, along with police officials, they carry drums of this secret medicine to the waiting police vehicle, which then takes it to the exhibition ground. Once the family reaches the venue, they light oil lamps and seek the blessings of their ancestors before beginning the administration of the fish remedy. Thousands of people stand in long, serpentine queues waiting for their turn to receive the secret medicine. People of every religion and age group attend the camp. Over the years, it has taken the shape of a pilgrimage of sorts for thousands of asthma patients who throng to the exhibition ground in Hyderabad, hoping to be cured. A person seeking cure for his or her asthma is required to visit the camp 3 days in a row to be cured completely, practicing certain dietary restrictions along the way. While modern medicine has failed to find a cure for asthma, the fish remedy has many believers who claim to have been cured by it.
सबसे पहले ये प्रॉब्लम हमारे रिलेटिव्स को थी, हमारे चाचा जी के लड़के को थी। वो 3 साल रेगुलर यहाँ पर आए और वो आज प्रॉब्लम जड़ से ख़त्म हो चुकी है। उसको देखते हुए हम भी अपने बच्चे को साथ में लाए हैं और मैं भी खुद भी आया हूँ और मैंने ये दवाई खाई है और इससे मुझे बहुत राहत मिली है। ये सेकंड टाइम इस साल मैं आया हूँ और 2 साल और भी आता रहूँगा और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम जड़ से खत्म हो जाएगी।
So, how does it work? In the words of the Goud brothers, the live fish travels wiggling its tail and fins through the throat and negotiates the phlegm congestion, and this cures the patient. An explanation doubted medically, as asthma is not related to the esophagus or the stomach lining. The Goud brothers themselves call this remedy prasadam or herbal food supplement rather than a medicine. Whether it is actually a cure to asthma or just a belief, thousands of people who have failed to be rid of their breathing troubles through modern medicine swear by this fish remedy and come back year after year with more people to undergo this miraculous cure.